Hey, how's it going, YouTube? In this video, I am going to be unboxing and assembling the FlexFit Kroy chair. So it has a blue mesh and black fabric. So it has a mesh side for the back and a fabric for the bottom. I got this at clearance, 72 bucks at Staples. It's only in store, so if you guys are planning on getting this, you should get it now. I'm not sure if it's in other stores, but if it is, I'd say go for it. I already have one downstairs, but that one's too good to be up here because there's way too much dust. I don't want it getting on it. It has a headrest. This one does not, which sucks, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'll start laying it all out. Alright, so I already unboxed everything. This is how the box looks like. That's what that says. And when I say I have everything scattered, yeah, it's all scattered. Got the trash right there. So yeah, I'll pick it back up when step number 1 is done. Alright, so step 1's completed. I should say that the wheels, they are very firm, so when you put them in, it's gonna be, you have to use some force. And then you just put that, which was like let me take it out. Like that. And like so, you know. But yeah, that's basically step 1, which is done. On to step 2. So it's gonna be tedious, but oh well. Alright, see you then. Alright, so as you can see, step number 2 is done. That's what that looks like. And onward to step number 3. Alright, so step number 3 is now completed. All the bolts are in, or screws I should say. So that's done. Now on towards step number 4. Don't mind the mess, but step number 4 is now complete. So yeah, luckily, because I had this table from my previous video, I used it to plop the bottom portion of the chair in order to do step number 4, which was to add these 3 screws in. So yeah, luckily it was an okay height, so that's not really messing with the mesh portion. And yeah, so yeah. So if you're doing this, and let's say you bought the product, it should be looking like this. Alright. And step number 5 is to just plop it onto that thing. The base, you can call it. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this styrofoam that was on it. adjustable armrests. You can change the height. And you can lock it in place. Pretty cool. And then when you want it back, that sound, I don't like that sound. The same sound happened at Staples when I was trying on the display. So I wouldn't use that too much, you know. You want to do it gently. I also forgot to mention that this chair has lumbar support, so it would help your back. You can move it up and down, but I don't want to move it because I already positioned it in a good spot for myself. But yeah, that's how that's gonna look like from now on. Got the PS5 right there. But yeah, a new addition to my you could call it my setup. Looks nice. And I no longer have to use this thing. Yeah, compare this to that. And I got this for 79 bucks at Staples. So yeah, pretty crazy. Alright, that does it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in the chair, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. If you have any questions, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, it feels great. I'm rocking it right now, just on the PS5, you know. But yeah, alright. Peace out. With